Hey everyone, it's Adriana from Adriana's Paper Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make a custom wrapper for this guy. It is the Oreo 2-pack. I have created a template for you. I mean, would I not? And it's going to be on my website. I will link it down below. But I did want to create a tutorial at the same time that I posted it, just in case you needed any help with it. This video is not on how to design it. You know, using Photoshop or anything like that. It's just how to assemble your wrapper. So this is my little wrapper. That's what it looks like. I decided to make it Rugrats theme. The template that I post, I always post the overall size that it needs to be. If for any reason when you save it to your device it comes out really small or really big, even though it shouldn't. And then I recommend you using Photoshop, Be Funky, MS Word, anything like that to actually create your design. Alright, so again, get the little 2-pack Oreos. If you want to know the ounce, it is the 0.78 ounce or 22 grams. This is what it looks like. And we're going to be folding it just like this today. So similar to my Rice Krispie wrapper, if you've seen that tutorial already, I'm going to do it like that. Okay, so for this you need to go ahead and cut out your thing. I believe this will fit maybe like 3 to a sheet. I printed other stuff on it, so I didn't confirm, but it's going to be either 2 or 3 of these to a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet. You'll need to go ahead and cut that out. And I always like to use hot glue, you guys know that, but if you want, you can use this double-sided adhesive. And if you want to know where to get this, just go to any art supply store or even Walmart. Alright, so to get started, I always like to place my snacks right in the center. But no worries if it's not exactly on the center, because after you glue it, you'll be able to reposition it just a little bit, okay? So we're going to place it right in the middle, and just like our Rice Krispie treat, I want you to fold it like this at the top, okay? Now, because I'm folding it at the top like this, I made sure not to put anything super important on my design up here. On the template, I did write that this will be the top flaps. So again, it'll be easy when you're designing it to not put anything important right there. So go ahead and glue this flap right here. Now, if you didn't align it perfectly and you use hot glue like I did, that's perfectly okay. You can either trim it off or you can fold it in that direction so that it'll be hidden. So it's fine. Now, like I said, if your treat is not perfectly centered, now is the time to go ahead and kind of move it around a little bit so that it's perfectly centered. So that looks more centered to me. Then you're going to go ahead and fold this down, and if you want to, you can glue it down. I like to do that just so that it stays down, but you don't have to glue it if you don't want to. Just make sure to get a really good crease going so that it somewhat stays down. And when you fold it down, you need to go ahead and pinch it down. Pinch this part down. Okay. Same here, pinch all of this together so that it stays, okay? So you see how it kind of comes off when it's not glued? So I'm going to go ahead and glue it down. I'm probably just going to put some like way down there so it mostly just glues the inside of this flap. I won't put glue at the top of the flap. So now it stays down. And I didn't put glue all the way, so you can see that I didn't put it all the way up there. So if you want, you can even do that. You know, to give it a more natural look. From there, you're going to go ahead and pinch your sides closed. And then you can crimp it as well if you want to. If you're interested in knowing what kind of paper I'm using today, it is the Hammermill Premium Color Copy Paper. It is meant for laser printers. It has a very nice satin finish to it, and I really like it. You guys know that I like to crimp my edges while the glue is still hot so that the glue kind of takes on the shape of the crimp. So I do recommend doing that, honestly, but it is also very hot on your fingers, so be very careful. Now that is my Oreo 2-pack custom wrapper. I went ahead and actually put a couple of the information on there because I like to make my wrappers really realistic. Got a barcode, nutrition label going. If you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.